Got too deep for. Oh no, I know you ain't chicken to that water.
I don't think we want to get too much further over there.
No, I'm not gonna. I just want to get to this water hole. Eva's not being too silly because of that sore foot. BB! BB, what's wrong? Is that deep? Is it deep? she was shocked at, I think, how deep it was. Eva Lou. BB. BB.
Eva.
BB. 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 Oh, you little chicken.
Eva.
Eva, come. Eva Lou. Come on, baby. Show them how to swim. Come on, BB. Why, you guys? Why are you avoiding it this morning? You don't like that bath afterwards? Gets a little deeper than what they expected.
Look at all the air coming up, or all the gas coming up underneath that.
Could be frogs buried in the mud. See all them holes along the bank?
Yeah.
Look, Boo Boo's looking at the water.
Oh, we're awful close to it. Is that an owl's feather?
Huh?
Is that an owl's feather?
Where do you see the feather?
In the water. Floating on the water.
Oh, wow. Very, very possible. It's a beautiful feather.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, there's the little tiny deer. Oof. That's
Eva.
probably a buck, because that's probably about as big as they come. Let's see if I can get it.